welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in the May BOXYCHARM Premium for 2020. I am so excited to unbox this with you guys. Honestly, I kind of forgot what the products were that we were able to choose. I am drawing a blank. I haven't seen any unboxing, so this is gonna be a mystery to me until I open it and then it all clicks and comes back to me. But happy Tuesday, May 12th. This is a very great day for me, not only because I'm here gracing you with my presents and unboxing one of my favorite subscription boxes, but on this day 3 years ago is my home-iversary. 3 years ago today, I bought my very first home, my lovely ranch style that I actually hate this house, if I'm being honest. But you know what? It's quiet, it's peaceful, it's in the country. I have 7 acres, over 7 acres of land, and you know, this is a great house. Other than the fact that it's haunted, which I will link my haunted part 1 and part 2 down below for you guys if you're interested in that. One more thing, if you noticed that my Blue Yeti microphone is not behind us this time. Did it? Yeah, it's not on this side. I'm actually using it today, so if for any reason the audio sounds terrible, I apologize because I wanted to use this, you know, $200 has been sitting behind me being unused, and I thought, you know what, let's try it. Let's see how this microphone will perform with an actual video and not just ASMR, which coming soon, I'm gonna be back up with ASMR videos. My brother recently just moved out, hallelujah, but his stuff is still in that room and he hasn't moved it out yet. He was supposed to, and apparently where he's staying is kind of a bad environment, so I kind of told him he could come back, so he'll be back soon. But you know what, I'm done sleeping on ASMR. I am going to figure it out and convert half of this room, obviously the beauty space, half of that room, dark ASMR vibes, witchy aesthetic, not gothic, witchy. I love that aesthetic. I believe I'm a witch, you know, whatever. Anyways, so we're gonna have witchy vibes over there. Maybe put my studio foam on half of the walls, have one of those fancy dancy background holders and like just a black background on that side. So we'll have fun, happy vibes over here, dark witchy vibes over there. But anyways, enough talking because, you know, we're still in quarantine. I love to socialize and, you know, I keep talking too much. I apologize. But anyways, if you guys haven't already given this video a thumbs up, then please do so. I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler girl and unboxing girl, so go ahead, thumbs it up, subscribe if you haven't already, because again, over half of my viewers are not subscribed to me. I don't know why. Go ahead and subscribe if you're already watching. It would mean so much to me, and let's go ahead and get on with the unboxing. Alright, so I still haven't found my knife, so we're using the scissors. So, yeah. Alright, let the memories come back to me so I know what exactly was in here. So, the BOXYCHARM this month is Mother Nature. And here's the info card. It's going to tell me all the prices. Oh, that was what it was. Okay. Wow, okay. Actually, not a bad box. Not a bad box. Okay, so here's the thing. Now that I remember, I'm probably gonna title this video BOXYCHARM Lied again, because if you haven't seen my last BOXYCHARM lied video, which was my base box unboxing where they lied, and that was a whole mess for everyone. Maybe I'll have that link down below if you guys need a recap. But they lied again, and I will get to that when I get to it. But they did lie again, and now that I remember I was really mad about it. But anyways, let's go ahead and show you what I got. Now, I haven't watched any spoilers, but I can say all the things that I've been seeing on like Instagram have basically been this box. So I haven't really seen many variations for this box yet. So we're gonna start with a product that I'm actually very excited about. So this is from Kevin Aquan, and if you guys don't know, I did say that Kevin Aquan was gonna start coming in the boxes soon in one of my past spoiler videos. Here we have a Kevin Aquan, the Expert Mascara. So extremely excited to try this product out. It's in the shade black, just beautiful gold packaging here. Nothing too crazy. I'm not going to open it yet. I'm almost done with my other mascara, so this is going to be one that I'm going to grab first. Even though I have a drawer full of mascaras I have not even opened yet, this is going to be the one I'm going with next because that's how excited I am. Let's tell you the value of this. The mascara retails for $29, which makes sense. I mean, it's Kevin Aquan, of course, duh. Next up from Baddington, we have a brush set. So it has a powder brush and a contour foundation brush, which sounds extremely exciting. I hope they are really great looking. Like, oh, how do I even like say this? Dense and packed. I like the brushes to be dense and packed if it's going to be a foundation brush, but we'll just have to see. So here is the outer packaging. I like the font on this. Ooh, pretty. Here are the brushes here. These are actually so nice. Like, they have weight to them. They don't feel cheap whatsoever. I'm wondering what the price is going to be. This is a nice little bunny tail powder brush. They just look like little bunny, little plop, flop, plop, flop. I don't know, hair. And this is a nice little powder brush. This, like, what was this called again? Contour foundation brush. It says it evenly distributes product and foundation into the skin. Great for contouring and blending. This, I think, is going to be great for when I get my Sephora orders in. I have 3 Sephora orders that I need to get. It hasn't shipped yet. I have a Sol de Janeiro order. My KKW order actually shipped that I bought back in March, so that's coming soon. But I did buy the Fenty Beauty Cream Bronzer and Highlighter, so I feel like this might be a good brush to use for when I receive the cream bronzer. So this has a retail value of $90. No, 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 no. No! $90 for these 2 brushes. You're insane. You're out of your mind. You're canceled. Stop it right now. $90 for these 2 is absurd. I mean, there's weight to it. I mean, yeah, but this isn't real gold, okay? This is not gold plated. No reason for this to be $90, except for you probably could take this and chuck it at somebody and knock them out. But other than that, this is not worth $90 unless it's just a killer brush where we're just chucking them and knocking people out with them, but no. But they are soft, so there's that going for it. Next up, we have a product from Sugar Rush, which is Tarte's brand. This is the Best Bud Lip Butter Balm in Peony, which is actually exciting. Like, I saw a spoiler on this, and I was like, ooh, I want to try. First off, packaging is so cute. It's just like this little flower. I love this. Let's open it up. Oh, this smells so good. I can barely breathe. It smells like vanilla, maybe. Does it say what it is? I don't know. It smells sweet, like baking, like, I don't know. But here is the color. I don't know if you can tell, but it's just a little lip butter balm. I'm gonna probably keep this beside my bedside table, or on my bedside table, my nightstand, and use this at night. I'm actually so excited for this. And that retails for $12, which makes a lot of sense. Next up, we have something from Kat Von D, KVD Vegan Beauty or whatever it's called. This is the Inkwell Liner Long Wear Matte Eyeliner, and we have it in the shade Dark Wave. So here's the packaging. That's it. Now, normally, I would be like, no thank you. So normally with a KVD product, I would be like, thank you, next. Goodbye. But here's the thing. She has no affiliation with the brand anymore. She's not getting a penny of the money, so I'm gonna try it because you know what? It ain't her brand no more. This is interesting. It's just a little liner cone. Okay, and this is apparently blue, which sounds amazing. You're supposed to shake it. Let me just get some ASMR. I don't have it on the thing, but anyways, I will try this. Oh, it's a pretty color. Interesting. Here's the shade here. Okay, so this retails for $20, which is insane, but you know, whatever. We're gonna give it a try. Next up, we have something from Milk Makeup here. This is what is this? A glow oil lip and cheek, a sheer blush, and lip stain packed with hydrating rice bran oil-free shimmering wash of color in the shade Astro. So that's interesting. That's the packaging. I don't know how I feel about something going on my lips and then going on my face, but you know, I would probably choose one or the other. So I messed up. I took that little thing off and like a chunk of it just came out. Whoopsie daisy. Oh, I wish I could just like put that back. Oh well, who cares? It'll just be messed up. Let's give this just a little swatch. Yeah, see, I wouldn't want to put that on my face. Like, I'm already oily. So like putting an oily looking product on my face just would not look good. Like, it looks almost greasy, if you will, but I don't know, maybe it'll like dry down. I don't know. I mean, it does look pretty. Okay, when you pat it out, it does get less oily looking. So, you know what? This might actually be really pretty. I'm gonna try this out since I want to try like more cream products and whatnot. I'm going to give this a try for my cheeks. I'm not gonna like go with my cheek and my lip. I think that's kind of gross. So cheeks only, and it retails for $15, which makes sense. It's tiny. Let's get on with the last product and the whole reason why BOXYCHARM lied. So here we have the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil Longwear Gilded Bronzer, made with 100% natural cocoa powder and real gold in the shade Luminous. Now this retails for $30. This retails for $30. Now here's the thing I have about this. So BOXYCHARM did their like choose your products, and they had on the choice that you were going to choose between this, and this, whatever it was, and it was the chocolate matte bronzer. And I was like, great, I'm so excited, I want to try that one. And then I got an email like the next day or a few days later saying, hey, you have this personal link to go change your choice if you want to, because we put the wrong image on the screen. You're actually gonna get the chocolate gold, so if you want to try something else, then here's your personal link, go do it. If I can find the email, I'll put it up here. So I was just like, are you kidding me? Because like the only product I wanted was this. Like I was not interested in the other one. So I was a little upset that like, you know, whatever. And then when I saw that there were spoilers that the matte, like people on Instagram were showing their boxes, that they were getting the matte shade, I was just like, why couldn't that have been a choice then? Why couldn't you just kept that as a choice for those who chose it? I didn't understand, since you have the product, why not just leave it since you messed up? But whatever, I was just like, okay, I can try a luminous bronzer. That's the only reason why I was a little like, but either way, I'm excited. Hopefully this isn't too dark. Packaging looks like a little macaroon. I don't know if that's what they were going for, but it does look kind of like a macaroon. Am I right? I'm excited to smell this though. Yeah, it smells really good, and it's just a shimmery bronzer. This looks like it's gonna work perfect for me. I just, you know, I was a little like bummed it wasn't the matte one, but this is gonna be beautiful, I'm sure. And here we have a swatch. Let me just, it does look a little warm toned. You can't tell on camera, at least I can't see it in the viewfinder here, but it does look a little warm. But I am so excited to try out this bronzer. You have no idea. And speaking of bronzer, I haven't filmed my Shop My Stash. I'm like a week late, and it's funny, I'm gonna have a before and after because I was talking about in my last Shop My Stash how I don't have enough bronzers, and now I have a drawer full of them. So, wow, it's gonna be insane. But anyways, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Hopefully the audio doesn't sound terrible, because I don't know. I won't know until I edit this if the audio is even on, or else this would be a disaster video, huh? But anyways, that is it. Thumbs it up if you will. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!